Wild for Facts wants to help us all understand our world and how to protect it with some clear, bite-sized science. We've all heard of climate change, the warming of our planet because of the increase of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, released by humans burning fossil fuels, coal, gas and oil. The impact of climate change on our incredible world and all the creatures that live here is real and has the potential to be devastating. The good news is, there's a lot we can do to heal the damage. And it starts by understanding some of the world's key climate heroes. Let's start with trees and plants. These amazing organisms play two critical roles in fighting climate change. First, they make oxygen. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the soil, and use the sun's energy to convert them into sugars that they use to build their bodies. As a byproduct, they release oxygen into the atmosphere, the oxygen we breathe. Every time we walk through a forest or look at a field of plants, we're witnessing nature's amazing oxygen factory at work. Without plants, life on Earth would be impossible. But that's not all. Plants also play a crucial role in absorbing carbon out of the atmosphere, because that's what they're made of. They remove 30% of the carbon dioxide that humans emit each year. The more plants there are, the more carbon can be pulled from the air, helping to reduce the impact of climate change. The same's also true of the animals that eat the plants. Every living thing is made of carbon. Even us. Marine plants play their part too. Covering more than 2/3 of the planet's surface, oceans are vital to all life on Earth. Not only do they provide essential habitat for many of the planet's most incredible creatures, but they also supply more than half the oxygen we breathe. Thanks to marine vegetation like seagrass, and mangroves, that work alongside phytoplankton in the water, microscopic plant-like organisms, to convert sunlight into the energy they need to grow, giving out oxygen in the process. And if that isn't impressive enough, the oceans also absorb around 30% of the carbon in our atmosphere. Plants are our heroes and life support system. And yet, at a time when we need them the most, we are destroying them. timber for the building industry. Clearing forests to make way for farmland. And growing monocultures of cash crops that are replacing the glorious and important biodiversity of plant species and the animals that rely on them. We can help stop this trend. We can support organisations fighting to stop illegal logging and trying to protect land. We can also make sure the products we buy are from ethical, sustainable sources. We can help spread awareness and speak out for nature. Stand up for trees in the face of development. And of course, plant plants. We can make the world a greener place. It all starts with education.
I wonder when you go home, tell your family, tell your neighbors that we need to do something. So, thank you for coming.
Like, share and subscribe to Wild for the World to spread the love of nature.